The first of the 8 sectors that I want to speak about is coal. There are 4 slides all speaking about the various steps, but I will run through about all the 4, even though the sequencing may be a bit different. We are bringing in commercial mining in coal sector. You know, coal, as all of you all know, coal is a government monopoly. That government monopoly is what is now being removed. Commercial mining of coal on a revenue sharing basis would help more coal availability and also more coal availability at market prices. So this will be far more efficient and more people can get to using it. Liberalized entries will be allowed for people to participate for a range of coal blocks, and for those who produce well before the deadline, incentives also will be given. But let's first understand, if India, which is the 3rd richest or which has the 3rd largest and 3rd large valued coal availability in its mines, in untapped mines, meaning it has the 3rd valuable deposit of coal, and we still import coal, and we still sometimes feel that the energy sector is suffering because raw material is not available. So regulations are required, and this line you would recall I have said day before yesterday, I have also said yesterday, regulations are required when there is a shortage. But this country has got abundant coal, and we've been regulating it, suffocating it from producing ample quantity of coal which will be required by the industry. Economy can be benefiting from this kind of opening up. Of course, we are conscious that coal is not so environment friendly. So in order to have coal converted into gas, we are providing incentive so that coal is also used, but the environment commitments of India are honored and we benefit from gasification of coal. And also the coal bed methane also will be auctioned, so that these coal beds which are with Coal India but untapped also can benefit the country. So the coal bed methane extraction also will happen through auctioning. 50,000 crores will be spent by Government of India for creating evacuation infrastructure, because after the coal is mined, brought to the pit head, you don't have enough right kind of infrastructure to have this coal, mined coal, evacuated from there. So 50,000 crores is being given to ensure that evacuation infrastructure is provided. So this is in short what is being done to bring in reforms in the coal sector.